Howdy, Possum Patty here and little TT2. And we're gonna do an unboxing. VIP Cross Stitch reached out to me to review a few of their items, and they have just arrived. So before I open the package, I haven't opened it yet, let's go over to their website and check out some of their products. This is the home page for VIP Cross Stitch. As you can see, there's a sale going on. Let's check some of the categories. Here's new arrivals. This page is updated every Thursday. And we'll scroll down just a little bit because there's 4,735 products. So I'll just give you a quick glimpse. All styles. Look at Christmas. Christmas on fire right now, right? Look. This is what's hot, and I'm loving these little owls. Look at these little Christmas owls. Aren't they adorable? And this is cross stitch. They also have customized cross stitch. If you give them a picture, they'll print it on a canvas, and you can cross stitch any customized picture there. They have cross stitch accessories. They have the beeswax thread and the little embroidery floss holders and clamps and needles and threaders. Let's look at a few of the cross-stitch items. And they have floss organizers, and you can see canvases and all kinds of accessories. They got the bandage tape to put around your finger. Just scroll down a little bit so you can see how beautiful some of this stuff is. And this is what's on fire. What's hot is Joy Sunday brand of cross stitching. And these are quite lovely, aren't they? So let's see, we have DIY crafts. So there's bookmarks and bead embroidery, pillowcases, embroidery, door hangers, and Christmas stocking. You can check these out. Let's look at bead embroidery. Aren't these adorable? Look at the little pink bunny. And I like that little tiger too. So quite a selection of keychains and bookmarks that you can make. They have large size canvases. I was scrolling down earlier looking at these, and there's one that caught my eye. And that was this tiger. Look at this tiger. Isn't he gorgeous? My goodness, look at him. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And let's see, there's also a blog. If you go to the blog, they have the frequently asked questions about their products. But also, if you click on blog, you can see right underneath how to do stamped cross stitch, how to do counted cross stitch, bead embroidery tutorial. And then there's also a YouTube review. So if you click on that, that'll take you to the page where all the other people have made videos about VIP Cross Stitch. You can look at all their unboxings. So if you want to see a real live person looking at these products, there's many videos here to choose from. So now let's go over to the table and unbox what they have sent me. All right, so here's my crinkly package, and I will just take my scissors and open this up. And let's see. Ooh. Sure I have everything? No, I don't. Okay, I have everything now. And let's start with this small one. Now, this is a 10-piece needle threader kit that costs $2.45. I will put the picture of the web page up right here, and I will put the link down below. And believe me, when it comes to threading needles, I need all the help I can get. These have a smaller end for when you're doing your sharps and a larger end for when you're doing your embroidery floss with the larger needles. 10 of them. Man, I was looking in the stores everywhere for these things one day, and it was expensive to buy one, was like a couple of dollars, and then there was another pack that was like 3 something that had 3 in it. And here we have 10 metal ones for $2.45. I'll take it. Now, let's see. Now I have some kits. Ooh, this is much larger than I thought it was going to be. Look at this. This is a embroidery hoop. So they give you the hoop, and this is made out of plastic, and it's got the little thumb screw up there for tightening, so you would unscrew it there. Take the hoop apart and put your canvas in there. And let's see, where's the canvas? Okay, description of embroidery stitches here. Back stitch, fishbone, that's to make the leaves. French knot, lazy daisy, straight stitch, stem, and satin stitches. And there's another threader in here. These are the ones I was talking about that I was looking for one day. And that comes with the kit, but I am known for breaking those, so that's why I wanted those heavy metal ones. So this is a Christmas ornament embroidery kit, and it's telling you which stitches to use on all the different parts of the embroidery, satin stitches or straight stitches, stem stitches, fishbone, and then inside, ooh, carefully open this up. We have the organizer here, embroidery twine color palette. And look at this. Of course, it's Christmas, so I think the ribbon there is to hang it with, yeah. The ribbon is for hanging. The gold does get used on the ornaments. And then you have all your colors here, all organized. Your different greens, and there's a pink up here, a pink and a white. Blues, greens, red. A lot of red, of course, for Christmas. And your instructions. And there's some down here. It says, keep your hands clean during the embroidery process. The lines are printed with water-soluble dyes. You can put the embroidery in room temperature water for 5 minutes or so and dry on the line, and the lines will disappear. These lines over here on the embroidery. Then you rinse it, you hang it to dry, you don't wring it, and it tells you about splitting the different strands. So that is the picture that will go on here. I'm just unscrewing this to take this apart. And boy, I haven't done this in a long time. And let's see, that goes, it's got to go underneath, right? It has been a very long time since I've used my embroidery hoop. And when I say long time here, I am talking long, you know, years, as in 40 years. 40 years. Okay, I imagine you can iron this a little bit before you start working on it. Get out the creases, and then you'd put it back on the hoop and get your embroidery stitches on there. Now I chose this because it was simple, and like I said, I haven't done this in a long time. The material, it feels like a nice quality cloth, like a duck cloth, and it's heavy, sturdy. And I think that's going to turn out nice. I know I have it on a little crooked, but I think I'm going to iron it and then put it back on. So let me put all the bits of this kit away and show you the next one. How come I didn't notice this a second ago? Look, there's 2 needles right there. Oh my goodness. Nice. So they give you the needle threader, all the thread and the ribbon and the hoop and the canvas. And this is the wreath embroidery kit. All of this costs $5.21. $5.21 for this whole kit. I will put the web page up right here. And now I will take out the next kit. And this kit is this one's in Chinese. It's a little purse. On that side, but what it really is what's on this side, which is, ooh. It is a kit to make this embroidered fan, Chinese style. It shows you what kind of stitches you have to make, and it does have it translated English and Chinese. And it does give you the organizer with the thread, the different colors. I picked things that were a little simple. Like I said, I haven't done this for quite a while. And it gives you a little hoop to work with. And this is beautiful sheer material. Look at this. And it's just printed on there. So this would go in the hoop, and then you do your embroidery, and then it gives you the kit to put it on the fan, and I'd have to figure that out. I got this one. Made in China. Okay, so I don't want to lose all these little pieces, but you would put that, then would go on this fan that's in here. Oh, there's a couple of needles in here. There's the tassel and the bead, so that when you're done, you've got this over here. So you'd stretch that out on that gold frame. Oh, you sew it to it. Oh, look. So you take that gold thread and you stitch that right onto, with a hemming seam, 2 strands. It even tells you how many strands of the floss to use. So 2 strands, you would take this and hem stitch it right onto the little frame, which I wasn't going to open, but I am going to open it so I could show you how gorgeous this is. Don't lose the needles though. Look at that. And then when this is done, you can stitch that right on there, and you have a beautiful fan. And here's your tassel. Okay, needles going everywhere. That's not good. We got to be careful. All right, so I will put this one away now, and there is one more here. And this whole set, so I was looking at the purse because I did see kits for this on the website to make these little purses, but I know I didn't order one. So this Chinese style fan bookmark embroidered kit for this whole kit, including the hoop and the thread and the needles and everything, was $4.03. $4.03. And this set is in a little brown envelope. And this one is called Cherish. And again, you have your directions here. It tells you which stitches to use on what parts of the project. Down here, it's showing you what stitches to use. On the back, showing you how to do it. It's got some directions, got the colors, a DMC chart. And down here's tips on how to do it. And you've got your organizer with your threads. Again, I picked something simple. There's some needles. Now I have lots of needles, lots of organizers here. Look at this. Lots of thread. So let's see what the canvas looks like. Okay, this one did not come with a hoop. And this is the plant embroidered kit for $4.83. But it's okay because I do have a hoop somewhere. I'm just going to have to dig it out. And this is a really nice, like, it's like a natural, you know, it's got those little flecks of brown in there. Cloth. Very natural looking. And of course, I figured this would be simple, something for me to start with. I'll probably start with this one because there's only a few different stitches in here. And I can finish this. And this is more of a, I guess you would stretch this and frame this. Or I can use it as a page in one of my journals because you know I'm all about journaling. So let me show you the web page for this one. Like I said, I will probably start with this one. So this is like all natural look, even this. Isn't this nice? I get a nice little recycled product here. Cardboard. Let's wrap it in. Like that. And it had a sticker on here. Show you what it is. I'll put that on the inside so I don't lose it. And the needles. So there we have it. I will put a link to all these products below. The plant embroidery, the Chinese style fan, the holiday embroidery kit, and the needle threaders that I need for all my sewing projects. And there you have it. I'm excited to get started on some of this. Like I said, it's been quite a while since I've done any of this sort of thing. But I do like to sew, and it is a great winter project. So thanks for coming along today. Oh, and there's a discount coupon, but you know, they're also having sales. So if you want to hop on that, go ahead. So I want to thank you for coming along today for this unboxing from VIP Cross Stitch. Bye-bye.